Hi guys, welcome to the new video. So there were many questions for the video that I made what all questions were asked to me during my interview. So I would tell you that the companies in which I have given interview, so there were two rounds of technical. So basically most of the companies will have two rounds of technical, and first though is resume shortlisting, then two rounds of technical, and then the fourth round will be the HR round where you'll have a salary discussion. So in first technical round they'll just ask you basic questions. They'll check your uh, basics, that you how much strong are your basics. If that is clear and you are selected for second round, in second round they'll ask about your project, they'll give you scenarios, and they'll ask about AWS or Azure security, because every company needs that their environment should be secure. So if you know about security or if you have worked on it, then it's just a add on. If you know about cost optimization, you have worked on it, it's just an add-on. You can tell all this, they'll just deep dive into the things that all on what project you have worked on. So they'll just try to know that have you worked on it or you're just bluffing. They'll try to get more knowledge about your project that you're working on your roles and responsibilities on your day-to-day tasks. So basically, mostly the in if in few companies there is only one technical round, so in that technical round only they'll ask you about the basic thing, and their your the questions on like scenarios, and of course they'll give you scenarios and they'll ask about your project that you're working on. So अभी तक मेरा फर्स्ट राउंड ही हुआ है. आई हैवंट बीन रीच्ड आउट फॉर द सेकेंड राउंड. सो जितना मेरा फर्स्ट राउंड में जो भी मुझसे पूछा गया था अबाउट डॉकर, क्यूबरनेट्स, जेनकिन्स, लिनक्स एंड शेल स्क्रिप्टिंग, गेट, टेराफॉर्म, वो मैंने आपको बताया. इफ़ आई एम सेलेक्टेड फॉर द सेकेंड राउंड, ऑफकोर्स जो भी मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा आई लेट यू नो. So there were few comments about resume. So resume के लिए there are few pointers that I think that are very important and essential. First of all is कि your resume, see my resume was also not getting shortlisted earlier. So I tried to find out कि क्या missing है. So first thing is the keywords of the job description that is mentioned in in which company you are applying. They have their job description mentioned, and if your resume contains those keywords, your resume will get shortlisted. If your resume does not have, then it is there are less chances that your resume will get shortlisted, because in most of the MNCs and good companies nowadays resumes are getting shortlisted by AI, and AI is fed by keywords. If the maximum keywords are getting like AI is able to find in your resume gets shortlisted. In few companies, HR is doing the screening, but still the HR also tries to find the keywords. So just look at the job description and just look at resume that those keywords are there or not, and highlight those keywords in bold, in capital letters, in not in capital letters, sorry, just highlight it in bold that you have worked on this: Git, Ansible, Kubernetes, Docker, Terraform, Java, Groovy, PowerShell. Highlight those words. If you worked on AWS security and everything, cost optimization, highlight those words. Second thing is that see, this is not something that you're lying. If you are ready to move to a place where the company is, like in Bangalore, and you are currently in Pune, you can mention in resume that Bangalore, because at the end, if you are ready and you don't have any issue with the place, you have made up your mind that I'll shift to that place, I don't have any issue, so you can mention that in a resume. Because this is not something like, because why the HRs are not in like they are picking up resumes which are of Bangalore only, because they don't want that hassle. When person will shift, then they will need accommodation, they will need like traveling and everything they will have to see. So see, if you're getting good salary, if it's a good company, then why don't you take a chance? Just mention the place, and if you don't have any issue with the place, you are ready to move, just mention the place, and the same place where companies in which you are applying, and I think that is fine. Matlab, there is not any issue. You're not bluffing. You are ready to move without any hassle. And if you're good, getting good salary, then why not? Then third thing is the placement of in your resume. How you are placing your headers. Like first of all, mention summary. Then your resume should not be very long. Try to keep it as short as possible, crisp. So try dividing the resume into two parts, left side and right side, because in that thing you will be able to give more information. On right side, keep professional experience and occupy whole right side with your professional experience, because that attracts the person who is seeing the resume. Right side actually attracts the person who is seeing the resume. Try this out when you are going in a grocery mart, and you will see that on right side the things are kept which are of good quality and they are in high price or something like that, because that attracts the people. So it is said that if you if place your professional experience in the right side, and occupy whole right side, mentioning whatever you have done, on what all projects you have worked during your tenure in that company, everything mentioned, at what role you have worked, uh, in what position, and everything, in which year you were in this company, in which year you were in this company, and if you get promoted, then at which year you there was a promotion. Mention everything, and at what role you were working, at what capacity. Tell everything in right side under professional experience header. On left side, first mention your skills, very important. Mention your skills, then your achievements, if you have got any appreciation certificates from your project, and everything. Your certificates, if you have got any certificate like from Azure, if you have cleared any certificate of AWS or anything, Kubernetes, anything, mention it. Then your educational qualification on the left side, because that is very important, that on which field you have done your graduation, and in which year you have done your graduation. That's it. On the header, mention your LinkedIn URL, your mobile number, your Gmail ID, or your personal email ID, and mention your name in bold, of course, for catching the eye, the view, attract the person who is viewing your resume. So these are the few pointers that you should keep in mind while making your resume. And tell me in the comment section if you want कि I should demonstrate this in like practically in laptop, how to make resume. I'll surely love to do it. Today I just spoke out the important pointers. In the next video, if you guys want, just comment me, and I'll try to showcase whatever I have mentioned properly with pointers and everything, that what all can you mention and what template you can use, how you can do it. I'll surely make the video tomorrow if I'm getting the comments in the comment section today. I will be very happy to do it. So I think this helps, and this is useful for you guys all. So yeah, thank you so much, and bye bye.